welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy from Wuhan Crafty Construction Equipment Corporation Limited. Today, I'm at the factory to introduce you this powerful and reliable machine behind me, the SPT26 Telescopic boom lift. It's designed for high-range operation with outstanding stability and performance.
Let's start with the platform. It measures 2.44 by 0.91 meters, giving enough space for up to 3 people and tools. The maximum platform capacity is 480 kilograms, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The turntable provides 360-degree continuous rotation, and the platform also rotates 180 degrees. Tech factor for flexible positioning at height. Down below, it's equipped with 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel steering, allowing it to handle rough terrain. It can climb slopes to up to 45%, which is great for uneven job sites. The machine is powered by a Kubota V33078 engine, compliant with high-profile Euro Stage 5 and China Stage 4 standards, ensuring both performance and eco-friendliness. Whether for construction or maintenance, the SPT26 is powerful, safe, and efficient partner for working at height. If you are interested in this SPT26 Telescopic boom lift, please contact me for more details.